match 12 in 3, 2, 1, go.
It's a hailstorm from Farmersville on the Red Alliance side of the field. Full Metal Jackets filling up their robot. Rebellion lining up for a shot, and the blue side fills their Blue Alliance hub. Same on the red side with Conspiracy in Farmersville firing again with... It's Advantage Red heading into teleoperated mode as Farmersville gets beached immediately on some fuel. Conspiracy knocks them loose. Rebellion tries to shut them down, but they're unsuccessful. Rebellion now hung up in the blue side trench as Farmersville herds a large group of fuel over to the Red Alliance side of the field. Full Metal Jackets and PastaBots heading over to the blue side. Full Metal Jackets fires first into the Blue Alliance hub, followed by PastaBots serving it up al dente into the blue hub. Switching over to the red side of the field, we have Conspiracy to Explosion firing into the Red Alliance. Conspiracy takes a break to get Farmersville unstuck from the red bump. Farmersville lines up, they take some shots of their own. Rebellion's interference only barely phasing them. Explosion still trying to max out the time in their shift on the Blue Alliance. Full Metal Jackets waste no time firing into the blue side. PastaBots fires as well, their double shooter aiding their teammates in filling the Blue Alliance hub. PastaBots goes back for seconds. On the red side of the field, Farmersville is ready, but Rebellion pushes them out of the way. Conspiracy waiting as a backup. They fire. It's a little short. PastaBots trying to fire some fuel from the neutral zone to the Blue Alliance zone in preparation for their shift. Conspiracy plowing behind the red tower to refill their robot. They aim at the red hub and they make it. On the blue side, both sides of the field firing into the respective hubs. It's a cloudburst of activity as Full Metal Jackets and PastaBots score for the Blue Alliance. On the Red Alliance, all three robots contributing as we have Techsplosion, Conspiracy, and Farmersville working to stave off Full Metal Jackets' attack. And Rebellion is up on the level 1 traversal with 1 second remaining. On the match 12 goes to the Blue Alliance. 196 to 193, 3 points in the difference. That means the Blue Alliance will be continuing on in the lower bracket to round 5, match 13, while the Red Alliance has been eliminated in 4th place. Let's have a round of applause for the Red Alliance teams. 2789 Techsplosion, 9506 Conspiracy Robotics, and 8749 Farmersville Robotics.